Costco is selling sushi. We're comparing their tuna poke with our homemade poke. Is it worth it? Hey everyone, I'm Flo, a home cook bringing you simply delicious food ideas. Guess what? Costco started selling sushi, and it's made its way up here to Vancouver, BC, Canada. I picked up a package of their yellowfin tuna poke, and it comes with rice. They charge $32.99 a kilo, and this box is $22.50. But look at how much rice is in there. So we're going to open this up, and I really am very curious as to how much tuna is actually in there. All right, so that's 265 grams of fish, which is about 9 ounces in imperial measurement. The total amount is 682 grams. So just to repeat, 265 grams of tuna and 417 grams of rice. Guys, 40% of this package was the tuna. That cost me $8.75. I paid $13.75 for the rice. I bought a whole sack of rice for $13.75. Then guess what? I found frozen yellowfin tuna in the freezer section for $19.99. And you get 2 whole pounds in there, which is about 900 grams. And that's already less than that package of poke. So I took out 2 pieces, and this is 300 grams, I think, ish, minus the packaging. So you get a little bit more than what you're getting in that package from Costco. It's also a little bit easier to cut when it's slightly frozen. And I'm going to cut them a little bit smaller than Costco. Next, we're moving on to the sauce, using 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, one tablespoon of rice vinegar, one tablespoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. And that's it, guys. Okay, adding our tuna. Just make sure all the pieces are covered with some sauce. And we'll just let that marinate for as long as it takes for me to chop up some green onions. I'm just going to slice up 1 green onion. All right, now I made 2 rice cups worth of rice, and that cost me $1. This is only about maybe half of that, so 50 cents, let's say, for the rice. Calculated earlier, the rice that we were paying for the Costco poke was $13.75. All right, then goes the green onions and some roasted sesame seeds. There you go. All right, so bottom line, guys, $22.50 for Costco poke and $7.16 for my homemade poke. But it all comes down to the taste. Are you ready for the taste?
It's yum time. Dude, this is the taste. You know what one of the worst feelings of during the summer is? Being sick during the summer. And I'm just trying to get over a cold right now, so please excuse the pubescent teenager crackling in my voice. Let me get a portion of this so it all comes down to the taste. All right, let's try the Costco poke first. The texture of the rice is going to be affected because the poke package with the rice is sitting in a cooler, in the refrigerated cooler, so it's going to affect definitely the mouthfeel of it. So let's give some rice. Yeah, the tuna is has a good texture. The first piece didn't hit me with a lot of umami in that with the fish. So let's try another one. Bigger piece. Yeah, onions in the sauce. Nice mouthfeel. But again, the sauce is very subtle. Let's move on to FLO'S and fish. Oh. Sauce is noticeably more punchy in flavor, and the umami is very evident. And the texture, even though both of them are yellowfin, the Costco fish seems a bit mushier, if I can say so. Let's try another one. Good mouthfeel. It's got some spring in the flesh. Trying to be impartial here, but my taste buds gravitate towards FLO'S poke.
Awesome. Thanks, dude. For sure, for convenience sake, Costco, way less expensive than eating at a poke bar or a poke restaurant. But if you can make it at home, you can do it for a fraction of the cost, and it will be more delicious than the Costco one. Sorry, Costco. But you know what? Actually, if it was just Costco poke that they were selling without the rice for that same price, I'd buy it. For this recipe, you can check it out on my website, FLO'S.com.